Hi, it's Noe with WTI, and whether you're a parent or you work from home or you're an artist, you're going to love this X-ACTO School Pro electric pencil sharpener. I love that it has so many different settings that you can use depending on the type of pencil you have or the size of the pencil. I also love the reservoir of this electric sharpener because it can hold so much. I don't have to worry about how many pencils we're sharpening. We don't have to empty the reservoirs quite so often. I love its compact, sleek design, allowing it to fit into small places. Look how great this sharpener is. You can see exactly how sharp and fine the tips get. I know that whether you're sharpening pencils for school or colored pencils for artwork, or whether you just need a pencil for work, you're going to love this X-ACTO School Pro sharpener. So if you're looking for something that's compact, can hold a lot of pencil shavings, and can work whether it's being operated by someone younger or older, then I would recommend this X-ACTO Pro electric pencil sharpener. And that's my point of view.